Hi, I'm Mona London with Homes by London, RXB Realty. Today we're here at 261 Legend Lane on Camano Island in Washington. Come on in. This sweet home has many architectural beauties, such as vaulted ceilings, arched windows, let the light in, wide open to your dining area, kitchen area, and also your sunroom. The kitchen offers a great long breakfast bar, large pantry, and beautiful window to look out while you're washing your dishes. Whoops, don't mind me. I'm just sitting here catching some rays in this glorious sunroom. Your primary bedroom also has treetop views in 2 different directions, and of course your attached ensuite. Two more bedrooms and full bath complete 2nd floor. Come join me for some sweet tea off the sweet porch off the sweet sunroom. Step out, relax, and enjoy the backyard with mature, gorgeous landscaping, fruit trees, and room to grow.